Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix the slow charging in your Samsung S25 FE or super fast charging 2.0 not working. Galaxy S25 FE supports 45 watts of super fast charging 2.0 and the issue about this thing not working is quite common. At first, I'd recommend to use the right charger. The official Samsung chargers do support for 100% the fast charging 2.0, but some base ones or something like that without this Samsung special chip do not support 45 watts charging in your Samsung directly. So the S25 FE needs a 45 watt speedy 3.0 PPS charger to achieve super fast charging 2.0. Using a weaker or non-PPS adapter will result in normal charging only. If you are sure that your charger is good for the charging, check charging cable. Use the supplied USB Type-C cable or a high quality cable that you got with your phone. Damaged or non-compliant cables can limit charging speed, which I think that's logical. And ensure that the cable is fully inserted in your phone's port. This phone is quite new, so I don't really think that your port should be clogged as for now, but try cleaning your port. Apart from that, you can enable fast charge in the settings. So at first let's go to settings, and here now scroll down to the battery. In the battery, scroll down to the charging settings, and as you can see here, you have fast charging disabled. Tap that to enable the fast charging. Samsung allows these options to be toggled off for the battery care, of course, so this setting must be on to get the maximum speed. I do have here the 45 watt charger, but not original. So let me plug my cable in this in the phone. As you can see, I do have only a non-high speed charging. So yeah, that's actually how it works. Apart from that, if it still doesn't charge using the 45 watts, try a different outlet in your wall, and ensure no lint in the phone's USB Type-C port. As I said, use a flashlight to inspect, and as I said about the clogged port, if you have a clogged port, it can cause charging issues, so gently clean it with non-metallic tool. Apart from that, if your phone is hot, it might temporarily charge slower to protect the battery. It's best to let the device cool down or turn it off while charging for the fastest results. And everything should be fine now. But after these steps, and if your phone couldn't charge, something is wrong with your phone, so you have to go to the authorized service and repair it. But now it should charge at full 45 watt speed, and this issue is quite common when you search for can detect supercharge 4.0. If anything from this video didn't work, you can go and search it yourself. I know that it's what it is, but yes, I can't really, and there are no more fixes that you can do without going through your phone, like inside your phone, unscrewing it, etc. So as I said, search on the internet and do it on your own risk, or just go to the authorized service. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and have a nice day. Goodbye.